So the lesson number is 31, but worksheet number is 33, yeah? I want to go through all this. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Hao Xuan, use chat function also, okay? Jera, use chat function. Okay. Then, okay. Mr. Lim wants to lay grass carpet in the entire square garden. So he tell you that this is a what? This is a shape of a square. So in order to have a shape of a square, you must know the properties of the square. What can you say? Four equal sides. All are right angle. The cost of the carpet is $20 per meter square. So every 1 meter square, it will cost you $20. And the square side, the length here is five what? Meters. So all four sides the same. So here also 5 meters. How much does he have to pay for the carpeting of the garden? So when this is a square, right? So square is 5 meter by 5 meter. So you find the area of the square first. But are you going to lay all the entire square? Are you going to lay entire square or not? Tell me the answer. Hao Xuan. Okay, Hao Xuan gave me the answer or the final answer. You do not lay on the entire square, but you lay it in the garden. Right? Garden is where? Garden is outside here without the pond. Right? So without the pond meaning you must minus away the pond. So 25 meters square minus the pond, which is 23 meters square, and you're left with 22 meters square only. So you have a 1 meter square that costs at $20. So 2 meters square must cost you at $40. Okay? All right. Okay. I think all in. Very good. Okay. Then next question, 40. Here. Xander walk across a rectangular field. This is not drawn to scale, cross it from Q to P, then to R, to S, to T. So that means technically what is he trying to tell you is he's going round and round. I mean the round about here lah. This one, then maybe I use another brighter color. Choose this. So he's going to walk from Q to P, then going to walk from here to R, then from here to S, then he's going to walk from here to here, and then to T, and cover a distance, sorry, here, cover a distance of 264. So only this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So technically, what is he trying to tell you is this plus this plus, sorry, this is actually this, you see, plus this, and this plus this. So it's two sides of the square lah. You see or not? So it's the two sides of the square. So this is 264. So 264 belongs to how many sides? Two sides, right now. Two sides of the square. So when you have the two sides of the square, how you find one side of the square? Okay. Can you tell me how can I do, Jera? How to find one side? How to find one side for this? Jera?
Um,
Hmm. How to find one side for this? What can you do? Adele? Adele, can you help us? So Jera, you wait, see what we can do. How to find one side when this is 264? What can we do? Hmm? Ah, sorry, say again.
Um,
Anything? How about Adele? Is that, do I pronounce your name correctly, Adele? Oh, how do I pronounce your name? Adelaide? Do I pronounce as Adelaide?
Adele.
Then Adele. Oh, Adele. Thank you. Adele. Am I right? Right, huh? Okay, Adele. Adele. Okay, Adele. Right. Adele, can you help me with how to find the one side here? If two sides will give you 264 because it covered the thread on the red color, right? So to find one, what can I do? How Xuan? What happened to you? Mosquito bite you ah? Adele can help. If connect cannot, I can ask for Rizwan.
Um,
Rizwan, can you? Hey,
two six
yes.
five and 264 divided by 2.
Thank you. 264 can divide by 2 to get 1. Okay, so, 为什么? Okay, 2, wait. 264 divided by 2 is 132 meters. Okay, so this is 132. And how
132 times
to
4.
times 4? Oh, why times 4? Hmm. Why 132 times 4?
Because there's 4 equal sides.
But the length of the field is 5 times. Wait, a rectangular field is not drawn to scale from P to Q and cover a distance of this. The length of the field, okay, is 5 times. Hey, wait. This is 5 times. So, wait, do you realize something? Um, this is, no. Let me repeat this. Okay, so sorry, this one, let me repeat this thing. Okay, this is not a square. This is not a square. I'm going to rewrite this thing called the highlighter. He walked from Q to P. This is correct. This is correct. Okay. And then to here. And this cover a distance of 264 for this line that he walked. And then he say the length of the field is 5 times the breadth. Okay. And then he want it to be entire grass here. So where is the 5 times? The length of the field. It costs $3. Right? Okay, give me a minute. This one is sheet 33. Because the diagram, I want to change the diagram a little bit, 5 times. Because he write 5 times, I want to change it. So sorry, Is the question 4? Question 2. Sorry, let me take a look. Okay, so the question say, to Q and a distance of 200. Okay, 64. Okay, never mind. We'll come back to this question later. I'll get it checked and done first. Huh? Okay, cost $3. Never mind. Later I'll do this. Okay. This is the question that I want to do it slower with every one of you. Now, Jeremy wanted to cut 5 centimeter by 3 centimeter rectangles here from a rectangular cardboard of this big one. What is the maximum number of cardboard pieces of rectangles Jeremy could cut? Okay, now he could rotate the small rectangle. Why is he trying to tell you here is because this is 5 by 3. Do you realize that this is divisible by 5? And this is divisible by 3. Okay, so we are going to do cutting for this. All right, so with 27, if I were to cut it into 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. So it's technically I'm cutting 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 23, 27. And you divide this by 5, it will be like that. Okay, divide by 5, divide by 5. So this is 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5, 4. This one is divided by 5, 5, 3 by 5, 5, 5, 5. So you have 3, 3, 3 cm, 3 cm. Technically, if you have 9 6 cut into 9 parts, 20 divided by 4, divided by 5, you get 4 parts here. So if you were to count, then you will have to use this to, okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
total?
9. Again?
9 times 4.
Yes. Yes, correct.
36.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you times 4. 9 times 4, that will give you 36. Understand? Is that Rejuan who tells the answer? Who is the one who tells 9 times 4? Is it Rejuan?
Me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right. Question number 4. He used 4 rectangular stripes to form the square. And if the perimeter is 192, what is the perimeter of the strip? Refer to this one. This is called one strip. And 4 strips, that means it will form a square. So you have 4 sides, meaning if this is 1 unit, the breadth of the rectangle must also be 1 unit.
Why
So meaning
92
to say,
divided by 4?
yes, but why divide by 4? Because it form a
There is 4 rectangle strip.
Okay, so 192, what is 192 divided by 4? Quickly, I will get down to 48. Right? So which one is 48 cm? Here. And here, I have to use 48 to multiply by 4. Anyone can tell me why I multiply by 4?
Yeah, I get confused. 4
Which
equals to
one?
what? 4 equals to what?
90, 192. Oh, 4 unit equals to this 48 here, right?
What's a
Not there.
perimeter?
Perimeter is 192 of the square.
No,
So
what
192
is?
Perimeter is the inside of a square.
the outline, the outline.
What?
So you outline. Okay, I draw in the form of this thing. This is called the perimeter. Here, with the red line together, 4 sides. You add up to be 192. So 192 divided by 4 is each side, right?